If you're a researcher, you've had this problem before. You're writing in Google Docs. Your references are in Zotero. And every time you need to cite something, you're switching platforms just to find the source. But you don't have to work that way anymore. Jenni has integrations with different reference management softwares, so everything is in one place. Here's how to connect each one. First, open Jenni and go to your library. Click the icon at the top to add sources, and you'll see tabs for Zotero and Mendeley. Now first, connect your Zotero account and allow permissions for Jenni. You will now be able to add specific collections from Zotero to your reference library. For Mendeley, same process. Connect your Mendeley account to Jenni and allow permissions. It's going to take a few seconds, but you'll see your sources in your Jenni library in no time. If you use other softwares like EndNote, you can simply export your references into either a BibTeX or RefBam format, then use those to import your sources into Jenni. Now, here's what changes. When you're writing in Jenni's text editor, you can cite any source with one click. No more tab switching and no more copy pasting. Just search your library, cite the paper, and it appears formatted in text and in your bibliography. But it gets better. Your references and Jenni's chat are also seamlessly connected. You can ask questions like, what methodology did this author use? Or summarize the findings from these 3 papers. Having everything in one place allows you to save time, build proper arguments, and actually understand evidence, which is exactly what research is about. If you want your references where you write, try Jenni for free today. Link down below. Happy writing!